Hey.
Hey, dinner's ready.
Okay, cool. I'll be down in a couple minutes.
Having troubles with the homework?
Yeah.
Do you want a hand?
Sure.
All right. What are we dealing with here? That explains why you're stuck. Oh, hey, how's the new guy?
He's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's adjusting well.
Did you give him a name yet?
Yeah, I'm calling him Toby.
Toby. Where'd you get the name Toby from?
The other night he was like saying it, so I just kind of figured it was perfect.
He said Toby?
Yeah. He's a really smart bird. He says other things too, like hi.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Wow. Yeah, he is really smart.